Guys, today we're going to be doing another episode on beekeeping on the cheap. These are top quality pallets. The boards are 5.5 inches. They're hardwood. The 2x4s are actually, I've already pulled one apart. They're the ones that do not have the cutouts for forklifts, so they're good to build stuff out of. And what I'm going to be making out of these, I've got a good friend, Keith Baudet with Summertime Bees, that can get these good hardwood pallets from the place he works at. This is one of his deeps. He gave me a deep that he makes out of the pallet wood. I am not going to be making deeps. And you can see where he has not used glue, so they will separate. I will take my bar clamps, just run glue down in through there and pull it together and glue it back. But I get the frame out for their propolis in. They're good pallet wood boxes, and beekeeping on the cheap with lumber costing a fortune still. I looked at a sheet of Avantech just yesterday, the 22nd of October, $70 a sheet for Avantech. But I'm going to set this up on the tripod, and I'm going to just show you how easy with this tool that Keith has built, how easy it is to pull this pallet apart. Keith can do it in about a minute. I'm not as good at it, so I take a little bit more time. But I'm going to set it up on the tripod, and I'm going to just show you how easy it is to do. Going to give her a try at that angle. Slide it under. I'm a little more gentle since I get a few pallets, and I try not to split them. If Keith splits the end, oh well, he just goes to the next one. He brings probably, I don't know, 20 or 30 of these home a month for his operation. It's just, I'm not going to go through the whole pallet. I'm just going to show you that it looks like the camera fell over at a different angle. Let's see. Try that. And all you need to do is just pull the middle one up, throw it over, and always be careful of the nails. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put it on your compound miter saw and cut right here. You can cut right next to these nail holes on each side. This was busted up. Probably come up about right here and cut. And between here and there is 22 inches. So if you have to cut off 2 or 3 inches, you make this shorter board your end boards where you'll be cutting your frame rest out. No different than contractor grade. You got that. Like I said, these are hardwood. They're hard pine, not soft pine. So that's the beekeeping on the cheap video for today. I'll be making, all I'm gonna make out of them are supers. I'll probably cut about 2 inches off. That way I get a good bond of glue between the two boards, because 6 5/8 for a medium. And like I said, these are 5.5, and they're true 5.5 all the way down. Thanks for watching, Woolly Bees.